Now we come to the last part of the learning analytics. We looked into data, which was the first element. Then we looked into analysis, which was the second most important element of learning analytics. Now this is the last element which makes the learning analytics process complete. Now, no matter how good or bad your data is, if you do not act on it, it's a sheer waste, because obviously you implemented a learning analytics strategy because you wanted to know what is happening or what is going to happen. So if you don't act on it, there's no point. So yeah, so action is actually the final step. And let's say, for instance, you get to know from the reports that your learners, some of the learners are not going to fare so well in the course. So your subsequent action should be, to look into steps that might enhance the course perhaps, or you can even look into the device preferences. Probably, they wanted to access the course through their mobile apps, and not from the desktops because of the time crunch and the tight schedule. So these can be some sort of actions you might take after you get the insights. Now here's a quick summary of whatever we did until now. So when it comes to descriptive, like I mentioned, the analysis, the reporting, everything is in your hand. You have to take the action ultimately. However, when it comes to diagnostic, your input reduces a lot, because the systems also finds you the answers or the reason why something happened. Now, when it comes to predictive, which is what will happen, here it also tells you what is likely to happen. So your action is just to avert that situation, that unforeseen failure which is likely to happen. Now, when it comes to prescriptive, which is what should I do? So in this case, there's no human input. Of course, you can, go ahead with the idea that you don't want to listen to the system and take your own action. However, the system is smart enough here to give you that automated future action. So yes, so these are the different kinds of action, or the level of action you need to put in at these four types of, or four levels of learning analytics.